Well, I've been washing the block, as you can see. The liner sleeve's pretty good, besides on that one. Right there is a chip. So I'm probably just going to rip the liners out of this. I don't have a puller, but I'm going to rip the liners out of it, or sleeves. And going to get that going. Then I might send this to machine shop. I would like to, but I only have so much money for so much stuff, so I need to get a snap ring puller. That bolt's pretty fun. I've been trying to get that bolt out. That thing spins right there, so that's fun. Then I need to get a bigger snap ring puller right there. And pretty much got that. Been cleaning a little. We've been washing parts, wire wheeling parts. Until I paint them, because I'm not ready to paint, I have to put oil on them so they don't rust. But gets all the grime and stuff, because there's a whole bunch of grime there now, brown bare metal. But see right there, that's a run. Now I didn't paint this, but there's a run there, so it's thicker than that, which is weird. So there might be an indent in there, but I did this because I thought there was a crack in the block. Went like that or something, but it was just paint cracked. So, but if it goes to machine shop, they could probably tell me if it was cracked or not. But, or you see, there's a indent right all around there. You see right here too, right there. So I don't know. I want to get that done, and the engine oil's been working great. Besides a couple issues, but it's been getting the job done. Got a ton of work done because of it. A month's worth of work in probably a week because of it. So that's all done. Just besides, there's one bearing in there. So I'm gonna have to get a puller for that, and then puller and snap ring pliers. I did ask Snap-on if they want to sponsor those two items, and they said they couldn't afford it, basically. So it's what it is. But I don't know. I can probably get the snap ring pliers from Channel Lock, but bearing puller I'm probably gonna have to buy. So, all right. Wanted to give you guys all an update on the 7610. So this is what's new with 7610. So catch you on the next one.